You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that look somewhat similar. They have different meanings, obviously, and quite very different pronunciations. So let's break it down. The top word here is pronounced flood, alright? It's when the water level rises and there's a flood, alright? The sound is an A sound, alright? It's not A, it's not U, it's A. Flood. There's been a flood in New York City. Flood, alright? That's how you say it. Now, the bottom word is floor. Floor. It's an OR sound. How to pronounce floor? The floor or the ground, the floor. So flood, floor. How to pronounce English pronunciation? Top word flood, bottom word floor. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.